Hello friends, welcome to BitSize Machine Learning playlist where we learn how to build a machine learning pipeline from the beginning to the end step by step. So this is a trailer for a series called End-to-End Machine Learning in 15 Steps. So in each step, we're going to focus on a very specific part of this machine learning pipeline. And then each episode will build that part specifically. For example, in episode number 1, we're going to set up the environments. Episode number 2, we fetch the data, and then we do some overview of the stats, split the data, random or stratified splitting, and we will go through some explanatory data analysis, such as geospatial visuals and correlation and pairwise analysis, and we will do engineer some features so that our models will perform better, and we will do some imputation if there are missing values, and we will use pipelines to do some categorical encoding. And in the end, we will do some baseline modeling, and we will tune some hyperparameters and then do some cross-validations. At the end, we will end with a final evaluation and feature importance to conclude the whole process. So if you're interested in this building this whole machine learning pipeline in 15 steps, follow along and then stay tuned.